What if I told you that if you made a 41-second short video talking about something that you already use and upload that video into an app, you would get paid $141,068? What if I also told you that you wouldn't need to worry about sending any products to anyone, you wouldn't need to have a ton of followers, and you wouldn't need to deal with any customer service whatsoever? Someone else would be dealing with that. You would call me insane. Not long ago, I would have said exactly the same thing until I came across this example that I'm just about to show you here in a minute. This is something that's called TikTok Shop Affiliate, where creators are promoting products for TikTok shops and getting paid commissions. Now, this is one of the best ways to make money here on TikTok in the year 2024. Now, if you're new to the channel, hi, my name is Victor. I help beginner TikTok shop affiliate creators make their first dollar online like I did. I do this by covering success case studies like this and breaking them down into easy to follow simple steps that you can go ahead and try out for yourself. If that sounds good to you, be sure to drop a big like. And if you watch all the way up until the end, and if you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. So I'm using a tool called Shoplus here, and let's talk about the proof of what I'm talking about first and foremost, so you can see exactly where the numbers come from. I've got a link to Shoplus in the description, by the way, so you can go ahead and try this out. It's a very good spy tool that I like to use to see what works currently on TikTok Shop. So what I have done is I've gone onto Shoplus and I've gone onto the homepage here, which is actually here. Now on there, as you can see, there's a number of different products which are ranked based on, from best or the best selling to sort of the least selling, all the way down to the bottom there. Now this is for United States specifically. As you can see, there's data for different countries here, but I'm just focusing on the United States currently. The product that the creator was promoting is this 15-day cleanse gut and colon support. So what I did is click on here, and that loaded this product detail page here. As you can see, a couple of things you'll want to make a note of. The price of the product is £14.40. So when that person is selling the product in the video, when they're promoting it, it's going to be £14.40 for everyone that buys it. So the commission that they get if someone does buy the product from their page is 20% of this amount. Now, this is where it gets a little bit crazy. So at the bottom here, so you've got sales analysis, relevant videos, relevant influencers, customer reviews. I've clicked on relevant videos, which shows us what content creators are promoting this product on TikTok. You can see the numbers, you can see the views they're getting, you can see how much revenue they've generated in total. You've got revenue, sales, views, likes, comments, shares, etc. Now, the content creator that I'm talking about here is this one, Worth the Buy. As you can see, tiny account. They've got 2.2k followers, okay, with, in the bigger scheme of things on TikTok is essentially nothing. This is the creator. So I've clicked on that, and that's taken us to the video detail page, and we're going to get into the commission here in just a second. So on the video detail page, we can see all they did there was a 41-second video. Okay, now this video they created a while back, but as you can see, in the last day's data, this product is still trending. So this is clearly an evergreen product, because even though they created their video in February, the product itself is still selling like crazy. And at the time of this video, it's September 2024. So back to the video detail page. Now what we can see here is that they got 10.6 million views on this video. This is where it gets crazy, because remember, every time someone buys this product for $14.40, they get paid 20%. So they 10.6 million views. They sold 37,162 units at the time of recording this video. And in total, they generated 730,440 in revenue. Now, this is where it gets mad. The revenue goes to the shop, right? Because that's like the total figure. But the 20% that they've made based on people buying the product comes from this figure. And in total, that works out to $146,088. Okay, from this one video that they made, 41 seconds long, talking about the gut and colon cleanse product. Absolutely nuts. There are people currently working 9-to-5 jobs who are earning less than this amount that they create this content creator managed to generate from this video. People who are working long weeks sacrificing, not seeing their kids, not seeing their families, not spending time doing things that they want to do most of the time, but they don't earn as much as this. Now, let's talk about the product. So how did the content creator end up getting the product? And we'll circle back and talk about the video here in just a second. In terms of how you can get the product that you promote as a TikTok Shop affiliate, there's a number of different ways. One of them is using, the best by far in my opinion, is using a spy tool like this, like Shoplus, because again, this ranks products, as you can see here, based on what's currently best selling. You can see the commission amount, which tells you how much of the product price you're going to get paid every time someone buys from your video. You've got sales trend data here, which you can see on this product detail page. If you go into sales analysis, and you can look at the past 15 days, past 30 days, and this allows you to see how the product has been performing, what the interest has been like over the last 15 days, 7 days, 30 days, so you can understand whether this is worth you investing your time in it or not. Okay, so that could have been one of the ways. They could have also asked for a sample to be sent from the shop that they're promoting on behalf of from TikTok. They could have just gone into a store in the area and bought the product physically, or they could have just bought it off Amazon as well after they've proofed the product, after they've seen that it's actually got some good data and it's a product that's likely to make money as well. Now, let's talk about the video. So how difficult was this video for them to create? How much effort did they need to put into this video? So I'm just going to play the video here. It's probably going to be silent by default. They do talk in the video, but I'm not going to play the audio, but essentially I can tell you what they're talking about. They're essentially measuring how much they're losing weight-wise over a period of, I think it's around 16 days, maybe longer, from using this 15-day cleanse. Yes, it is called a 15-day cleanse. So what they've done is they've got the product and they've measured the change and the difference that it's making to them and what the transformation is over the 15-day period. And they're talking about essentially how they feel, how they've been set on the toilet for a long time, because that's what it does. It basically cleanses you out. Obviously, it's gut and colon support, so it's, you know, removing stuff that's in there, and a lot of that involves sitting on the toilet, and that's literally it. As you can see, nothing crazy, no crazy edits, nothing. This is literally from a mobile phone that you probably already have. No mic being used, no professional, production, literally just a phone, the product, and them talking about the experience. And that's literally it. They're not even showing their face as well. So if you're someone that's been interested in faceless TikTok and making money that way, this is an example of how you can go about doing that as well. Now, let's say, for example, that you weren't interested in this gut and colon support, that you wanted to see if there's a different product in a different category that you wanted to talk about. You're not comfortable talking about a product like this. Well, simply, you haven't got just that one product here. As you can see, there's a number of different products that are being ranked. You've got electronic products, you've got medical, you've got clothing, you've got health and fitness stuff. There's a ton of different products that you can explore here. You're not tied just to that one product. Like, for example, if I was interested in promoting maybe this cakes covers thing, I've done a video on this in the past. I think it's like a female chest support thing that you can put on to balance things out. You can look at that as well. You can look at the sales analysis and see how this has performed over the last 30 days or longer. You can look at videos of people that are promoting that product and see if this is something you're able to replicate, if that's something you're able to talk about. And you can essentially repeat this process over and over and over again until you find the product that you want to promote. Again, if you were doing this yourself on TikTok, one, you wouldn't have all this data available, and two, it will probably take you days on weeks to be able to find the product that you're looking for. However, if you're using a tool like this, it's essentially something that can take you 10, 15 minutes in order to find those products. And once you've got the product, it's literally just a case of creating the video, trialing out the process, seeing what works. And again, this makes it infinitely easier for you because you've got these video examples that you can refer to that Shoplus has already put on here for you. You literally just watch every single video and understand which is the easiest video style that you can implement and use yourself. And you can see the numbers that go with these different videos as well. Absolutely crazy. Now, the thing is, once you have got the product, once you are creating these videos, what you might want to understand as well is sort of the basics of TikTok Shop Affiliate and how it works. Just if you check out the video that is currently on the screen, so you can have that foundational understanding